as you can see, this definitely grew. Oh my gosh. Okay, time for round 4. So last time, I used this hack with a twisted marshmallow. Today we're using something called a halal marshmallow, which usually has different ingredients than a regular marshmallow. And since it might have different ingredients, I'm pretty sure the giant blowing up would be different too. So maybe the new ingredients on the halal marshmallow than the original can make it grow bigger or not grow at all. But we'll find out for sure. I'm going far this time so I can see perfectly what it's doing. Hold on. Is it low-key growing faster than the regular one? Aw, man. It deflated. Okay, so good news, the marshmallow did grow. The bad news, the marshmallow actually deflated. So, good news, the marshmallow actually grew. The bad news, it deflated in the end. So, that was kind of a fail. But I'm gonna do one more test with it. Let's roast it. So the marshmallow can grow in the microwave but deflate easily, but it's perfect for actually making a good s'more. That was a good pull. Works on the stove, not the microwave.